Hello. So good morning. Compliment of the season to some of my fans celebrating this season. So thank you for watching, and my video also reached 100 views. So thank you for watching, and may God bless you all. So today I'm going to be doing two things. I'm going to be talking about console creating your first hello world in Node.js, and also creating a package.json in Node.js. And we're going to create a little bit of function that enables us to calculate in Node.js that enable us to calculate in Node.js with some Node.js package managers. So first of all, we are going to be talking about the create your first hello world in Node.js. So first, let's click Node. Let's type Node. So as you can see, it's saying welcome to Node.js. So let's see alerts. Hello. Wow. Okay, alert is not defined. Let's just say console.log hello world. As you can see, it's writing hello world. Maybe the alert is not working since it's not in the web browser. That's the reason why the alert is not working. So let me Control C to quit, Control C again to exit. So let me go to my desktop. Then we go to my Node.js. Maybe go to my CD Node.js. Okay, we're going to make one CD. Okay, coming tutorial. Okay, let's just make one immediately. Node.js CD Node.js. So let's make a simple hello world folder with make.hello world. So here we're going to I'll show you the first way of creating a package.json with npm init, and the one will do hard-coded. npm init actually makes it easier for you to create the package, while the one we're going to do by ourselves will be on VS Code. So first of all, let me create the npm init. So I'll write npm init. Oh, so let's first go to the hello world. Npm init. So the npm init to bring out the properties or objects, properties of the objects for creating a package.json automatically. So what you just do is just to fill them in. I don't know why it's taking time. Okay, so package name hello world, then version 1.0, description hello world in Node.js. Entry point, you can change it if it's app.js, you can change it to app.js. If it's node module slash app entry.js, which is sometimes found in React Native, you can change it to that. So let's just leave it as index.js. Test command node npm start npm run build github repository. We have none for now. So if you have a GitHub repository on that, you can easily go here and just paste the link and copy it from your GitHub profile. So keywords node start build. So author, let me just say Anna, and then just say developer. License, you have the ICE, you have the MIT. So for now, let's use the ICE as license. So okay, yes. So now we have our package.json ready. So let me go there and press that. As you can see here, we have one file and it's a package.json. So then press code dot to go to our VS Code. Right now the VS Code pop up. Okay, now it's open. So let me cancel this. So first of all, let's go to the node package.json. So as you can see, everything is running here. So use hello world 1.10. So I'm coming, let me copy this. So let's do it hard codedly or by coding. So let us create an object, name, after it was a column, I send a column. So let's say hello world. What else again? I'm coming here, and just contribute. You have the version. Okay, we'll have to put a comma by the end. Version 1.0. Then we also have to in description a hello world in Node.js. Then let's put tests keywords. Can't forget color. Keywords coming Okay, create 10 keywords. Basically, I just want to show you how it's done. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to copy and paste scripts, then the main index, then keyword. Since it's an array of keywords, you just put node start view, then author, developer, then license, first document, or let's do it by SC, industrial standard code. I think that's it, I guess. So since we're done with everything, so let's just clear it. So at least now you have your own hard-coded or code-written package.json. So first of all, let's create it. Since it's our main, so let's create index.html, index.css, sorry. So simply here we're going to say we're going to create two we're going to create a console.log hello world, and also okay, there's new errors. Okay, cannot reach hello world. Okay. Okay, I think it's all for now. So let's go to our timeline. Sorry for the kind of sound. I'll upgrade to better space at the moment. So just stick out with me. So let's say node index.js hello world. So let's try alerts. Let's say bring out hello world because we are not in the console for Java. We're not in the web browser in JavaScript. So that's why it still brings out the hello world as a function. So that's all for this video. So the next video I'm going to talk about Node.js package managers, where we'll do some arithmetic calculations with Math.js package, node module package of package managers. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel.